guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to assemble an alto saxophone. So hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys learn how to put together a saxophone, and yeah. First step is getting your reed. When you get your reed, you want to take the reed out of its little plastic, and then you'll have this little reed case. So these holes right here, not sure if you can see them, but there's like this is where you can feel the reed, like the plastic is covering around here. So you want to take the reed from this end, slide it out. So from here, you want to get your tongue out and then place the reed on top of your tongue. Only half of it. See how there's like this part is thicker than this part? You don't want to touch this. I'm just touching it to show you guys. So you want to put the soft part against your tongue and moisturize it like this. You can also cover your mouth around it like this, just to get it moisturized faster like this. While still having your reed in your mouth, you are going to want to take the neck of the saxophone, and you're going to want to take the mouthpiece. So first you take the case off your mouthpiece, and the scold ring, it's called the ligature. You're going to want to take that off too. Take that off, just tighten screws and just pop it off. Alright, so once you have your mouthpiece and your neck, you're going to notice that the neck has like this thing, which is called a cork. So if it's dry, you're going to want to apply cork grease to it. So just get your saxophone stuff and just get cork grease. It looks like lip balm. Alright, so when you apply it, you're going to want to like just rub it all over it. But I don't really need much, just showing you guys. So there, applied a bit of cork grease. So now you're going to take your mouthpiece and your neck, and the way to put it on, so you want the hole to be pointing down, so the neck is like this and it goes like this, so that the hole is pointing down. So you're going to want to push and twist, and you're going to want to have like around this much of the cork showing. So after you do that, then we take the reed and we go to where the hole is on the mouthpiece. You put the reed flat up against it. It should be lined up mostly. You don't want to have the reed over on top, so that will be bad, and this will be bad too. You're going to want to have it be lined up, and it's okay to have that like tiny bit of black still up there. So here we're holding the reed like this. When I have it like this, and then you take the ligature. So notice that it's not even, the ligature. One side is bigger than the other, so I'm going to take the side that's bigger and then put it in over the mouthpiece, and the screws to the right of it. I'm going to loosen it up a bit, push it down so that the ligature is only covering only the hard part of it, and then you want to tighten it up. Notice mine is a bit uneven. So after it's like this, it should be able to make a sound. Now that we have our neck and mouthpiece assembled, the next step is not to get out the saxophone, but it is to get out your neck strap if you have one. Neck straps are really handy because saxophones aren't light, so neck straps are just handy. And saxophones are also kind of troublesome to hold. Just put it that way. Won't get into it that much, but just get your neck strap, put it around you, and you can see on my neck strap, it has like a hook. That's like, use this hook to hook it onto the saxophone. So yeah. Now the next step will be get out the saxophone. A fourth step is to get your saxophone out of its case. So to get it out, you want to hold it by the bell, bring it up like this, and yeah. And you want to take off this little plastic cap. Don't need this, just to cover it. And this screw right here on the neck, so you want to loosen it up, get your neck, and this little thing, you're going to want to have your neck there, so it will be like this. And then after you put it on, you're going to tighten it back up again. Now you can put your neck strap on. So the neck strap, there is a hook. There should be a hook right here. Just want to get your neck strap and then plug it in right there. And there you go. You assembled a saxophone. So that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed how to put together and assemble a saxophone. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.